Welcome to Box Hour. It's time to open the box. See what's in the box. What could be in the box? What's in the box? What did Josh order from Amazon this time? Tell you what, my wife thinks I'm making people rich, which I guess I probably am. Oh, goodness. This one's real special to me because it was a special request from my daughter. This is a new motorcycle helmet for my kiddo to ride the motorcycle with me. Let's get it out and show it to you. Top wind visor. Nice bag to keep it nice and safe. Empty box. Welcome to the unbagging channel. Dun, 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 dun. Unbagging. Beautiful helmet. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing. That is just gorgeous. Yes, sir. She's gonna like that one. Nice and soft, but safe. Get a communication microphone and headset in there for her too, and we can talk while we ride. And trying to set up some nice long family trips. You'll see some of that in the moto vlogs. I hope to do a lot of moto vlogging this year. It's got vents, up and down visor, very nice. It's got flip down shade visor for them sunny days. Very nice. Very nice. All right, well, see you next box hour. Same box time, same box channel. Okay, love you, bye-bye.